I have a poem. Together we die, together we rise, by Carlos Gomez. If we die together, then we will not grieve the loss of the other. Let us shed tears while we live, and let death envy our breath, for soon it will come for us, and we will be food for the worms. But while we live, let's remain strong in each other. Let life be victorious. Let us live in each other's beauty. For death will take from us our temporary life. Where flesh and blood struggled, death laughed as we tried to achieve the next step. But in the end of our existence, death also dies, and tears and pain no longer reign. In unknown sleep, our hearts no longer beat. Our love in death is still, but so is grief. If we rise together from the mystery of sleep, immortality crushes death, and we no longer grieve.